Alright guys, I want to stop it in the beginning of this video to give it a little bit of context, so hopefully it makes a little sense. So essentially over the past like 2 weeks or so now, I've been working on so many video projects and I've had so many things that I'm trying to finally implement onto the channel. There's some big changes that I've been just thinking about and been wanting to make, but I haven't really been sure of how to go about doing it and how I was going to implement everything onto the channel. But I finally have that idea and I have like a sort of a plan in my head, and I've been starting to put everything into play, starting to get the ball rolling. And one of the things I want to do is make a really cool video for you guys revealing this change, which you guys will see soon enough. But my good friends Eli and Jack have been actually filming with me some, and we've been filming like rolling shots and drone shots for fun. We filmed this last weekend, and I'm sure we will be again soon to get some more shots for this stuff and continue to get this video figured out. But it doesn't really make sense to like put the behind the scenes out before the actual video comes out, but I really don't care, because I started going through some of the footage that I got from the GoPro and stuff of when we were filming all this, and I was like, dude, this is actually really cool. This was gonna be a fun video. So you know what, I'm just hyped, and I'm gonna put it out first to kind of get you guys going, give you guys a little bit of a tease as to what's gonna happen soon. And it's just a fun video hanging out with the boys, doing some fun car stuff and doing some filming, and you're gonna see some really cool shots of the PT-GT in this video. And I also have an intro that I've been working on, and it's gonna get some changes, but I got the basic thing down, so I'm gonna roll that now to start out the video. Without further ado, let's get into this one. Alright guys, we're back on a beautiful Friday. I'm currently on my way to meet up with the Cuz Race Car boys, Jack and Eli. We're gonna be attempting to film some dope roller shots today, not only of my car, but maybe one or two of the other cars. I don't have a ton of time, but we're gonna try to knock some out today. This should be really fun, and I think I'm gonna be using them for something really big coming to the channel soon that I haven't yet hinted or really talked about yet in any video. So taking this moment to just say there's some big stuff to come possibly, so just keep your eye out. Look at that handsome devil. Whoa, camera battle. Damn, he got a whole gimbal and everything. I didn't know that. That's nasty. They're about to go down. We are in Mexico on a closed course, by the way, guys. Don't do this at home. This is lit. Ow.
Same thing.
All right, gotcha.
I'm real happy with this one.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh my god, dude.
It started late, but
yeah.
this was the second one.
Oh yeah. Oh damn, dude. That's fire.
The overcast is like perfect.
Yes, it is.
There it is. Right there.
Oh, money shot.
The first one was
that's awesome.
about the same. It might have been framed a little better.
Yeah.
Oh, we got the big
Oh, you about to get run the fuck over.
So now we'll do the same thing. We're just gonna take some pictures.
Yeah.
And then, if you don't mind, I'll hop in your
Yeah,
car and
yeah.
we'll get some of the focus.
Yeah, absolutely. Hell yeah, this is dope. He's leaning, bro. Woo!
I forgot to have my GoPro on the first time. It
Oh,
almost
yeah.
flew off.
I
You,
know.
Like, floored it. It was like,
I was like gonna try to hold my camera, but I'm like, no, I just gotta put the GoPro on.
you can kind of see.
Oh my god, that's so sick. Oh my god.
Everything's blurry. That one, probably one of the best ones. That's like
fire.
wallpaper wood.
Yeah, that is. That's poster worthy, bro. Hell yeah, let's go.
How long or how far do your back
They
windows
go
down?
like down to like here, I think.
Okay,
so
that's okay.
yeah. Oh wow, not me.
Almost manual gang.
Why you gotta flex on me, bro?
Clear?
Yeah, we're clear.
The wind's extra hard on this one. Not inside the car, so.
I was giggling hearing you go down the freaking hill all the way. Jack
I know,
was
he was
freaking
just, like,
popping the whole way.
The whole way.
That was awesome. Actually, come on.
Hey, I'm going to the other side.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, I forgot this was here.
Yeah, we're gonna do one more going back.
I think there's a car coming.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Oh, there's a car. Whoops. Wrong gear.
And here I was thinking I would need a better exhaust.
What's he trying to tell me?
Do you want us to go by?
Yeah. I don't know.
I don't speak sign language.
There's kids racing down my road.
I know.
I'm not racing, taking pictures. We have pictures to prove it.
Okay, we'll do that one more time, and this time I'll just get pictures. So just match our speed.
Rolling burn up. It shifted into second automatically.
And fish crackers.
Yeah, that's gonna be my dinner, bro.
Yeah, so we'll probably drop them off there and then, I don't know, maybe we can go to like Letchworth. or
Yeah,
something.
wherever you want to go.
How'd those turn out?
I might need to stop at a gas station though. We had a little bit of a gas station break, and now we're gonna try to get some drone shots. This is our drone shot road. Is that a weapon?
Yep. Might as well try and get some turbo exhaust noises.
Ooh, yeah, good idea. Oh. Whee! It's a giant mosquito. Got some sick drone shots. I got to drive the ST for the first time at about 20 miles an hour. It was awesome.
Next time we'll go a little faster.
Maybe a little. Dude, it was cool though. It made crackle noises. I want my car to do that. Yeah, I literally have a downpipe sitting in my shop that's been sitting there for forever. I don't know why. Yeah. I literally, it's a 3-inch catless downpipe. Just sitting there collecting dust. For real. We're gonna get it on soon now, for sure. Car's looking beautiful.
No, that one.
Oh, perfect shot. Just let it hang.
Yeah, we can try it.
I mean, that might work.
We could try it.
Yeah, we give it a shot and see. Exhaust clips have been acquired. You can tell I'm so good at this vlogging thing. I got the exhaust clips in my car, bro.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood? I don't actually want to pop the hood, but I will anyways.
Good thing the mic can't see anything.
Yeah, for real.
I might have to route
That's
it like
hot.
over the dash, because if I put it this way, I think it's gonna melt.
Oh yeah, true.
I'm not hearing much yet.
Not yet. Oh, how about now?
Oh, that's better than the exhaust.
Is it?
It's. As long we could like each friggin'.
Oh, yeah, we might be able to.
It's this way. I'll just have to have my head closer to you.
Oh, ooh.
Intake mic mod. Oh.
Inception. Here, you want to see the B-roll of your B-roll? Oh. The other one was better because you start at it and then you go backwards.
And then you go back, yeah.
And then you reverse it in post.
Oh, that's sick, dude. We got the pictures. This is gonna be awesome. I'm really excited. This was so fun. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time, and I finally have homies that are into the same thing as me, so it's a good feeling. I've done, you know, I'm kind of an introverted person usually, and I do everything kind of by myself. It's just, you know, I'm filming what I do in the shop when I'm just tinkering with my cars, and you know, that's kind of what my channel's all about. But it feels good to expand and start collaborating and making friends and making big things happen for the channel at last. It's an amazing feeling. It gives me a lot of hope for the future of what we're doing, and as always, I gotta give a big shout out to Eli, Jack, all the boys from the meets and from cruise night. They are all awesome friends. The community is amazing, and they're always there. They got your back. It's amazing to have that community be a part of it, and also having, you know, the family that I do that supports everything that I do, and they let me do it in their shop, you know, while I'm getting started out, and it's awesome. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. I will never take that for granted. And I just wanted to get sappy and say that real quick because I'm just pumped right now for everything we got going on. But anyways, I will check in with you guys later. We got a little bit of a drive home, and I'm gonna cruise with Eli. Just have some fun, enjoying the drive. Pop, pop.
The next day.
All right, boys, happy, what day is it? Saturday. I'm leaving right now to go to a little car show not too far away from me at a local diner that I actually go to a lot with my family. I didn't even know that there was a car show there, but apparently there is today. It started at 10 and it's about 12 now. I slept in and I had some video stuff to do for the video that's going up today, but I got my hard drive right here and I'm gonna do some file transfers with Eli, get all of the shots that we got yesterday, all the rollers and stuff, and I got some clips of their cars pulling out of the show on Thursday, so I'm gonna do some file transferring and also hang out and look at some cars, hopefully. There we go. This is the third day now that the PTGT's going out, and gonna hang out at a show and do some show things. Car's been like driving consistently perfect, and I couldn't be more happy, and I love this car, and having all of these events back to back and just having an excuse to drive this car so much over the past couple days has been awesome, and I'm just so excited for the future of this car on the channel. Ooh, oh, it's clean. If I was to get an old Mustang, this would be the one right here.
My screen.
Oh my god.
Some of them it's like really good and then it's like, and then it's like, it's good again. It's like,
maybe able to stabilize it a little bit.
Yeah,
in the editing.
true. Once you find the spot where it's like perfect, it gets smoothed out here, like right.
Oh my
there.
god.
Yep.
Oh my god. So there you have it. It was a little bit on the short side, but that was a lot of fun, and this is literally like dreams coming true for me. I've always wanted to film stuff like this, and literally not only these shots of the car just for myself, but also to do what we are about to do to the channel. It's been like literal years I've had the idea, but like over the past, I would say 6 months or so, I've really I've had the main idea, and I've been trying to figure out how to make it work and how to make it happen, because I don't want to screw it up, and I want to make sure that this was the right decision for the channel, because cars and videos are quite literally my life, and it's very important to me. And there's a tractor going by at just the right moment. Thanks for ruining my audio, guys. But I'm super hyped for how everything is turning out and how this is gonna go down. So appreciate you guys' patience, because there's a lot of kind of space between uploads right now as I get this all figured out and as I work on these videos and get ready to finally bring this channel to the next level for you guys. So stay tuned, hit the bell and the subscribe button if you haven't already, and just stay tuned because there's a lot of big things to come, and that's about all I can say right now. And I appreciate you guys' support, and I thank you guys so much for watching the videos and making this all happen and making this all possible. This is an amazing community that we have, and I'm thankful that I can dedicate as much as I can to it, and I want to take these opportunities that I have and make the very most of them, but it wouldn't be possible without you guys. So again, thank you so much. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know how excited you are down below too. I'll be hanging out in the comment section as always, and thank you so much again for watching this quick little video. You rock, God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.